Hello, and welcome to another FreeCAD short tutorial video. Welcome to our new series on FreeCAD constraints. In this series, we'll explore the various constraints available in FreeCAD Sketcher Workbench and how they can help you create precise and controlled designs. Let's get started with an overview of what constraints are and why they are important. Constraints are rules that define the relationships between different elements in your sketch. They help you maintain geometric consistency and control the degrees of freedom in your design. In this series, we'll cover all the essential constraints you need to know, like coincident and point-on-object constraints. Understand how to align points and objects precisely. Vertical and horizontal constraints. Parallel and perpendicular constraints ensures your lines remain parallel and perpendicular. Those are just a few constraints FreeCAD has to offer. There are plenty more to cover, and that's what we're doing in this series. Each video will provide step-by-step instructions to help you become proficient in using constraints. By the end of this series, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use constraints to enhance your FreeCAD designs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Let's get started and take your FreeCAD skills to the next level. Thanks for watching.